Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya Chemistry classes. In this session, we can understand the concept of what are disproportionation reactions and what are comproportionation reaction. Inside the video is what are disproportionation reactions and examples and comproportionation reactions and example. This topic is from Stoichiometry grade 11th. What are disproportionate reactions? The term disproportionation reactions means the same element undergoing both reduction and oxidation in a chemical reaction is called as disproportionation reaction. What are disproportionation reactions? The same element undergoing, that means the same reactant undergoing both reduction and oxidation as well as the same reactant undergoing both oxidation and reduction in a chemical reaction, so that reaction is called it as disproportionation reaction. That means the element that undergoes disproportionation reaction has an intermediate oxidation state. It is in same, the reactant is undergoing reaction to produce as well as reduction and oxidation to produce a intermediate oxidation state. For example, look at this example. 2H2O2 gives rise to H2O plus O2. 2H2O2 gives rise to H2O plus O2. In this 2H2O2, the oxidation state of H2O2 is -1 and H2O is -2 and O2 is 0. In this, the reactant is -1 oxidation state. The H2O2 oxidizes to form O2 and H2O2 reduces it to form H2O. It is the disproportionation reaction. And look at this another example. P4 plus 3OH plus 3H2O gives rise PH3 paspine. 3PH3 plus H2PO2. H2PO2. In this, P4 oxidation state is 0 and OH is -1 and H2O is 0 and P4 reduces to form PH3 and P4 oxidizes to form H2PO2. That means the same reactant, it is oxidizes and reduces. The same reactant as well as oxidizes and reduces, it forms same PH3 and H2PO2. So in this P4 having 0 oxidation state, it increases +1. That means the one electron is less, so +1. And in PH3 it reduces -3 electrons, so it produces PH3 ion. So in this, it is a disproportionation reaction. And the next one is what are comproportionation reactions? What are comproportionation reactions? Give example. The term comproportionation reaction means it is the reverse of disproportionation reaction. That means it is the opposite of disproportionation reactions is called it is comproportionation reaction. In these two species combined, that means the two species belong to same element. The two species with same element in different oxidation states to form a single product in which the element is in intermediate oxidation state. So this reaction is known as comproportionation reaction. First, once you check it, disproportionation reactions, one reactant produces two products. In this, two reactants produces one product, so it is called it as reverse of disproportionation reaction. Ag plus 2 gives rise to Ag plus. In this, silver having 0 oxidation state and Ag having +2 oxidation state and Ag plus having +1. That means 0 to plus 2. In between 0 and +2, So plus 1 is there, that is the intermediate oxidation state. What is comproportionation reactions? When in these two species with same element in different oxidation states form a single product in which the element is in intermediate oxidation state, so that reactions are called as comproportionation reactions. These are disproportionation reactions and comproportionation reactions. Thank you. Please subscribe and share and like us my videos.